What's up, y'all? I got this tool sent in by Seesii. Let's get straight to it. See how it works. I think it's around $100 on Amazon. Impact wrench, comes with 2 batteries. Excuse the mess, I'm working here. What do we got here? It comes with a 22, 21, 19, 17. It goes down the list here. Comes with a charger, sweet carrying case. Let's get right to it. Link in the description. We got a crank bolt on this EJ engine right here. Rebuilding a full EJ engine. Check the link up here if you guys want to see the process. And these crank bolts are pretty hard to take out, and this one doesn't have a spot for the special tool to go on. So I hope this thing will take it off. So let's see. Light work. That's kind of that's really impressive. My air tool won't do that. I could do a comparison. Hey, let me see that air tool real quick. On the hose and everything. Yep. All right, I'm gonna put that back in. All right, so we got an air cat at 120 psi. I mean, for $100 in a carrying case, can't go wrong there. Comes right off. See if it'll do these. Breaking those free. Those free. I'm gonna keep them on until I take the belt off, obviously. Takes those out. Guys, this is a great that's a great tool for that price. I only took those off. There's nothing really else here on. Here, let's check another crank bolt for you. Okay, this engine's been tucked, so it's just live and in the flesh right here. Wrong size. Let's see, what do we got? 19. All right, 19 on this crank bolt. Come on. No way. All right, if you're familiar with crank bolts, that's pretty crazy. So, yeah, I don't know. There's a review of my tool. Works great. Get you one. It's in the description.